This is Shahi cooking. Get ready for the recipe now. Get a good cast iron karai. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Fry 1 chopped onion with 20 cashew nuts. Let them slightly golden brown and let it cool. Then grind in a mixer to make a smooth paste. Keep the grinded cashew nuts paste aside and now add 1 cup of oil which I will add to the pan slowly. So we're going to heat the oil for 1 minute and then we're going to put in some big large chilies. Make sure you slice them in half so they don't splutter on you. We're just flavouring the oil now and let it bubble only for a few seconds and take them out. Get some 9 large tomatoes and cut them in half and keep them aside to be used afterwards. Fry the 1 kilo chicken until it changes a colour. Add 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, add the chopped tomatoes you had earlier and let it all fry together. Well, I added 1 cup of chopped tomatoes and 1 tablespoon of tomato puree.
Now cook until skin comes off. Now slowly peel off the skin and then quickly and slowly lift the skins off the pan. Add in the mixture of grinded cashew nuts and onion paste and slowly mix in. Add in 2 tablespoons of ghee. It's now time to pause the video and look at all the spices we've added. Write them down so you can have them and measured out on your plate. Now add all the masalas to your chicken and now you'll see while you're cooking the oil come out. Add 1 full cup of yogurt that's been beaten and pour in and mix into your curry. Mix the yogurt but try not to damage the chicken, so as you see I'm just moving it from underneath, just turning it over. Your chicken is ready now. Look at this tasty dish you've created, all with your own beautiful hands. Now is the final stage. You are there. We just had the chopped coriander and the fried chilies that you have. Slowly pour that in and mix into your curry and just let it simmer for only 1 minute and let it cook. You are done. You have made your delicious curry. If you liked this dish, please like and subscribe. It will be very useful. Thank you. Shahi chicken, it is ready to eat and taste.